All right, everybody, we are back. And as you can see, I see the demo comment that just happened. All right, everybody, now we're going to show off the automation tab, which is one of the key features of Aidelly and very powerful tool. So in order to get here, of course, we're going to be on the inbox page, which I'm already on the inbox page here. And we're going to click the automations tab. Currently, we only support Instagram, but in the future, we're looking to support other platforms. So definitely stay tuned and make sure you stay active in our Facebook group where we also announce new features and things like that. So I'm going to click new automation. If you see here, Instagram comment to DM, I already have a running automation. So I have an audit. This is the keyword that I use. And based on that keyword, you see I already sent some DMs. So I sent a DM about a month ago. I have the DM button, and the comment reply. So I'm going to show you how to set all that up right now. So the first thing you're going to do is click on New Automation. And on the New Automation page, we have a few options. We first can select our Instagram account. I'm going to select my Wills or Jean Baptiste account. Next, you can enter the keyword you want to have the automation run on. Meaning, whenever somebody comments that word in your comments, you will trigger the automation. Aidelly will trigger the automation. So the first thing I'm going to do is enter the keyword. Let's put demo. Next, we're going to do run campaign for how many days you want to run it for, 7, 14, 21, 30. We'll pick 30, and after the campaign is over, the keyword will stop being sent out of the system. Next, we want to add a DM message. So this is the message that you're going to send once someone comments the word demo. You're going to DM that person the message, right? And so I'll say something like, thanks, here is the demo link. And I'll be right back. Let me fetch the link that I'm going to use. Awesome. So I'm back with the link. I'm going to use this YouTube link. Here's the demo link. And over on the right, you see there's a preview, but it's just really it's just a URL. We can make it look better. So I'm going to click add a button right here for link buttons. I'm going to add a link button. And you see here, it actually updated the content. So I'm going to take this link out here. I'm going to put it in this URL box here. And I'm going to put watch video. Or let's put watch demo. Watch demo. And then I'll update my message since I have a button now. And that's it. And so now my preview is ready. So whenever somebody comments demo, I'm going to send them this message with the button, which links to my demo. Pretty cool. Now, next thing I want to show is comment replies. So if you want to reply to the comment first while sending out the DM, this is where you'll do it, right? So as you can see, I can drop down right now. I don't have any replies. And we have 3 different replies that we use, that we can use. And you can set up your own message if you want, or you can use the AI to suggest replies for the comments. So I'm going to use suggested replies. And it just sets up 3 basic replies. Pretty easy. So whenever somebody comments on my post, I'm going to reply to their comment with one of these posts chosen randomly. And then also you can do email capture. Email capture is an option that you'll send a message or a button or something where you can request the user's email. And it's great for automations where you want to build the email list. You'll select this. I'm going to leave this off for now. And then after all that is set, I'm going to click create. And my automation has been created. Awesome. So the automation is demo on my Wilson John Baptiste Instagram account, and it's going to send this link. So let's head over to Instagram and test it out. All right, as you see here, we're on Instagram, and I'm on my tester account right now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click one of the posts, and I'm just going to comment demo. That's the keyword. So it's set up on this account. I'm going to comment demo, and let's see what happens. And my automation also matched. And so comments get sent on another separate interval. So that sometimes they might not send immediately as to not seem like it's too automated. So just for sake of the demo, I'm going to send the DM right now. I'm going to click send now for the DM. Oh, and it says the comment replying to already has a reply. So did it send already? Let's check. Let me check over on Instagram. All right, so actually it sent very quickly, but for some reason my dashboard didn't pick up the send. But either way, as you can see here, I have a new message from Wilson Jean Baptiste with an attachment. Let's open it up. And it says, thanks, please click the demo button to view the demo. And as you can see, because I'm on the web, it's not working. It's not showing the button, but I will show you a screenshot of what that looks like right now from my phone. And you'll see that there's a button with a link. And I click the link, it goes to YouTube. So I'll show you that right now, just so you can see it working end to end. And the last thing I'll show is back on the post itself. You can see that I have a reply and it says demo. Of course, that's my comment. And then reply from Wilson Artiste, sent it your way. And all this was done completely automated without my input, without anything of me typing or sending messages. And this can work for all of your automations within Instagram. So very quick, very easy to set up and get working. And that is the automation tool and feature.